Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD territory, but we are seeing signs of a converging, and we still experience the 50 moving average as our resistance, and that is at the price of $24.84. As we expand out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD but still approaching to negative territory. We are also facing resistance with the 200 moving average, this green line, as the price of $25. If we expand out once more to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD territory, still approaching to positive territory. And as of now, if we do manage to head down lower, the next support level will be the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at the price of $24.36. Reason why, it acted as our past support back in October 15th. And as for resistance to the upside, that will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $25.67. If we do manage to head up higher to touch resistance, that price movement is roughly around 4.3%, and to the downside to touch support, that is around 1.3%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $22.20, and that is this range right there. My sell target will be $23.31, and my stop loss will be $21.84. And on the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $23.68. which coincides with the 50-day moving average, this range right here. And my sell target will be $22.57, and my stop loss will be $24.07. So whichever entry price hits first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. If we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for silver to climb between 1.6% to 3.2%. And to the downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between negative 1.6% to negative 3.2%. Do keep in mind that this sample size is small, only 2 models found, so it is not statistically significant, so do keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.